Hello, this is Kim, and I will giving a student lecture on the underwater systems today. So today we are going to introduce the unmanned underwater system, which is chapter 7, and continue from the previous section, the history and manned underwater systems. We will learn about the unmanned underwater system. So, unmanned underwater system can be classified into ROV and ROV is remotely operating underwater vehicles and automatically operating AUV is autonomous underwater vehicle. In addition, there is a hybrid system that combines the ROV and AUV together. So, before to explain the ROV and AUV, let me explain the degree of autonomy. First level is the remote control. This is the stage where human performs the operation and directly control. The actuator of the directly control the actuator of the system, and it hasn't any sensor feedback, so this is a step with no autonomy at all. So, and the second level of the autonomy is the tele-operation. So it is the human operation same to remote control, but instead using video or sense feedback. So, however, since it directly controls the actuator or assigns incremental force, it is not yet autonomous. So, next level is the third semi-autonomous. It is an unmanned system that humans do not remote, but it is a human-robot interaction step that requires a human to conduct the mission. So last level is set and complete the mission automatically without any human intervention, as it is fully autonomous. So what happened to a task in unmanned underwater vehicle technology? UUV is unmanned underwater vehicle. UUV technology has involved over 3 generations. First generation means the first of UUV, and it has become vehicle design and implementation. This generation is characterized by low-level control and teleoperation, which is teleoperation generated corresponding to the autonomous level 2. And the second generation refers to the development of intervention cable UUVs, which operate with autonomous based control. It is characterized by the multi-target system and cooperative operation, and correspond the semi-autonomous degree, which is autonomous level 3. Rust is third generation is developed to make autonomy, which enable fully unmanned and autonomous. system with high-level control and fully automate mission plans. This generation is characterized by swimming operation and distribute control. So UUV technology developed in this way performs three missions: industrial, science, and military mission as well. The first is industrial mission. In case of industrial mission, it can be classified into the following mission: hydrocarbon field development to enable exploration, extraction, and the transportation to extract oil or gas that is under the sea. And the second one is underwater CO2 storage system. This causes the environmental problems such as climate change due to the rising CO2 concentration. To solve this, CO2 can be stored in a container under the sea or in an impermeable layer. So, and renewable energy development is usually for energy that can be generated in the sea, such as offshore wind and wave power. Finally, subsea to assure underwater construction is possible. And next one is second mission, make it possible by using UUV to conduct research. And human cannot directly dive because of long time diving and high pressure due to high diving depth, such as ocean. We can perform capture. And one is operation. Very dangerous and impossible. Now I will show you example for perform ROVs and AUV. First of all, these pictures are JSON made by Hui in USA. So I should show you.
A submarine has a sleek cigar-shaped body that enables it to move swiftly underwater. A pressure hull made of high-strength metal contains the submarine's.
Yeah, this JSON
A submarine has a sleek
그걸 눌러야 되는 거다. 여기 편집 사용 있잖아요. 네, 그거 해. 네, 그거.
삼십 년 넘게 의사 생활을 하면서 50이 넘었을 때 어느 날
So the risks don't end with the technical development or the implementation of the design. The risks don't end until that vehicle is safely back on the deck of the boat and the job's been accomplished. To do that, you need skilled people, you need good processes and systems, and you need equipment that won't let you down when it's most exposed to the type of environmental conditions that you can't control.
Arvin
Smartphone
is
Connect.
mainly performs installation, construction, and repair maintenance alone. The representative Korean company that developed RV name is made Very and Cordy. This Very and Cordy are actually research crystals in Korean, were sent for Marine and Ocean Engineering Research Institute, and to be sent for Korean Ocean Research and Development Institute. Next one is AUV. The name is first example is Tobishi. So
than that. It takes about 2 hours for the bluefin to reach the bottom, where it can operate for another 16 hours. It scans the ocean floor as if it's mowing a lawn, using side-scan sonar, which identifies objects that stand out from the seabed.
When it's working with the side scanners, it's not actually taking pictures, right?
No.
It's measuring sound.
Correct. What it's doing is it's converting sound.
yeah, Tobish performed the underwater survey and exploration, and so various countries are developing AOV Tobish, and Korea made Isimi is the very smaller and the low weight compared to other countries' fish. And next is glider.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Navigation and flotation mechanisms have been checked. Inflating the bladder allows the tail to rise up and receive the operator signal. The commands which initiate the mission can be received either locally from a vessel or remotely via satellite. The computer, located in the navigation bay, calculates the course to start the mission. At the same time, the scientific bay receives the configuration signal and prepares the specific sensor. Gives the command to be TD allows depth levels to be estimated in the water column. All the data recorded by the sensors is stored on a hard drive. So sent. Salinity and 1,000 meters on missions which can last up to 2 months, covering 24 kilometers a day in any meteorological conditions.
Like the symmetry curve and the globe collect the information from the sea and comes to surface and communicate the satellite for communication center on the boat through the built-in the communication module to transmit data. Is for example of gliders. And the last one is semi-AUV. This one is SAUV made by Daeyoung in Korea and semi-autonomous underwater vehicle for mission made in USA. The semi-AUV is the unmanned submersible that was developed as civilian military to test in 2003 and was developed to enable the manipulated to work by checking the work and environment with the front camera and sensor, and it need to cable like the ROV because it input any mission from the human. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for listening.
Right. What's on time?